Hello there, Star Wars toy fans. This is Jim. Thanks again for taking the time to stop by my channel. Well, the focus of today's video is the JusToys Bindums Darth Vader collector case. Yes, did you know that there was a collector case made specifically for the Bindum characters of the early to mid 1990s? I had no idea there was one. In fact, I didn't even know about it until this past summer, 2021, I was looking for some collector cases to store my loose figures, as that's the way I've always done it. And happened to be on Mercari, saw a C-3PO one that came from Hasbro, and saw this one. I'm like, well, this is really different. I haven't seen this version before. Picked it up and did some research on it, and lo and behold, it was to store the 20 Bindums characters that JusToys produced from 1993 all the way to 1995. Now, this is before, I would say, the resurgence of the popularity of Star Wars. You know, Lucas didn't come out with the 20th anniversary till 1997, and Hasbro didn't come out with their Power of the Force 2 line till 1995. So we're talking 2 years earlier. Now, I remember seeing these Bindums characters in the Toys R Us and KB Hobby stores and just looking at how goofy they were and like, why would anybody want to buy them? But the collector case is actually halfway decent. So let's take a look at this collector case. So first off, you'll notice some main differences at the bottom right here. There's some ridges there, as there are none in the vintage Kenner case. And you'll look on, and the head is very similar, although there are some minor differences between that and the Kenner case. It also sits slightly shorter. It's got 3 latches, very similar to what Kenner produced, and the back side, here we'll zoom out just a bit, is also smooth, just like the Kenner case. Now, where it differs quite a bit is on the interior. So here's the top view of them, and this is where I store my Hasbro Empire Strikes Back Hoth Imperial figures, as well as some from the Shadows of the Empire. And so you have the straps, similar to what Kenner produced. You have, here you could store weapons, or in the case I have Admiral Piet. Over here I've got Admiral Ozzel. Here I've got FX7 because he just does not fit in any particular collector case. And we'll get a little bit zoom in there. And then over here is where I keep the weapons for all the figures in this particular case. So the space here is really, really nice. You can store some larger figures, like say the Chewbacca from the Mynock hunt. You can store Zizor, obviously Darth Vader, and then it's got these little snap compartments for you to store whatever you want to, like I've done weapons in addition to figures. Bindums made 20 different figures with these, and so you can store, you know, up to that many. So if you're looking for an additional collector case to add to your collection, I would highly recommend this one. It's really nice. And I don't know how rare it is, but and it's not, again, part of the vintage Kenner or Hasbro collection, but it fits right in, and you know, you just might consider it. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please feel free to do so. Take care, and we'll see you on a future video.